Refilling your Straight Talk plan can cause your iPhone hotspot to stop working due to data provisioning delays. When you refill, the carrier system needs time to update your data balance. Your iPhone might also be holding on to old plan information, leading to connection errors. Straight Talk, as an MVNO, relies on underlying networks like Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T, and issues can arise during the switchover. A simple solution involves forcing a reconnection to the carrier's servers. First, restart your iPhone by powering it off for 30 seconds, then turning it back on. Next, open Settings, go to Personal Hotspot, and toggle it off and on to refresh the connection. Second, open the Straight Talk app and check that your refill was successful. Verify your data balance to ensure the hotspot has access to data. Third, in the Straight Talk app, navigate to Manage Plan, then troubleshoot hotspot to access the automated reactivation feature. This forces a network refresh. Fourth, if issues persist, reset your iPhone's network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, then reset network settings to clear any cached connection data. Finally, as a last resort, contact Straight Talk support by calling 1-877-430-2355 or using the app's chat feature. They can provide remote reactivation help.